it's Fuzzy. Okay, we're going to install the Rio Geo whippersnipper handle. Now this is an extension handle off your whippersnipper. You can call it the ergonomic handle. I don't know, there's all kinds of different sayings you can say for this thing, but it comes with your mount, shoulder strap, your Allen wrench, extra rubber just in case things don't fit to make it tighter. You got two rubbers here that you can use. I think one's smaller than the other, or it's just an extra, but they're just screws and everything. So let's get it installed on that weed eater. Okay, so we got her on. Now I did have to, on this particular model of shaft, I did have to use that extra rubber that came in here to get the mount small enough to clamp to the shaft. I did make it so I could angle this a certain way for me to be straight standing up. You can see how I'm standing up and I'm not leaning over with the other handle. Now there's the other handle with the head straight down, and there I am standing at attention straight. Okay, so now when you want to I kept the other handle on just in case you want to use it, but anyway, I think it's going to be all good, and I'm gonna give her a try. All right, let's go do it. So it works pretty good. It's staying on the shaft nice and tight. The only thing that I have an issue with, and that they did glue it, but you can see that the handle come off. So I would say I just put a little more glue on there, or two-sided tape with some grip tape or grip solvent, and get it on there, and she'll stay good. It is what it is, and all in all, great product. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming.